Some very, very cool people that I've met, mostly through YouTube.
Hey everybody, this is Brexton from Texas Adventures of Brexton. You gotta come watch soonerJHtravels. John! Boomer!
Hi, soonerJHtravels, John, out here north of Barstow, California at the Owl Canyon Campground. And we got a special guest here today. Mike from Out All Day and his wife, Charla.
What's going on, guys? How's it
How
going?
y'all doing, man?
We're out here in the middle of nowhere.
Really, literally.
Meeting up with John. Make sure you guys give his video a thumbs up, all that good stuff as well, okay?
And likewise with their channel. Nice. It was very cool to meet Mike from Out All Day and his wife Charla, and we had a good time. We did a little hike of the area. I was camping at a place called Owl Canyon Campground in the Rainbow Basin area north of Barstow, California. So we both have videos on that, so check them out. It was my extreme pleasure to meet this next fella and his wife, Jeff and Brittany from 909 Adventures. Wow, what a great channel. You guys need to go check them out. They're based out of the Southern Cal area and does some great adventures, doing all kind of explorers and stuff out there. 909 Adventures. Go check them out. I was happy to meet them out there, and they sent me the coordinates to go meet them at an abandoned Air Force base. So that's what kind of things that they go explore. The whole name of their channel is 909 Adventures, Urbex, and more. They are definitely worth checking out. Brittany usually accompanies him on the videos, and she's a blast. Great couple. This is Jenny Gibbs, and she does all things Death Valley wise. She lives in Pahrump, close to Death Valley, and she's very informative, and she has a lot of energy in her videos, and she brings a lot of good info to everybody. Check her out. Fantastic person. Jenny Gibbs.
If you're watching me right now, you really should be going over to soonerJHtravels and subscribe and watch him.
Thank you. This is another great exploring channel, Pin in the Atlas. I got the pleasure of meeting them while in Pahrump. Great channel, great people. This is the driveway up to Tacopa Mines. I stopped up there to go visit with Ross for a short while. And look at that. We just happened to be in the windiest, dustiest weekend that they've had in a long time, but really beautiful countryside. And I'm telling you, it was extremely windy. The part that I recorded with Ross, the audio was unusable because of the wind, and we both probably knew that, but I had to try. But if you want to know how windy it really was, just wait. It's coming up. Really a wonderful place to visit. It's got some wonderful views. Here's his newly built outhouse here. But check out this view right over this ledge here. And there's Ross himself. And so you say, was it windy? Was it really windy? Check out Yuki. This is great. Looks like a little seal. Is that an Elon Musk rocket? No. I think it's Judy Suzuki hauling ass. Yeah, she's here. I met Judy in the 70s in Japan, and now she lives in Southern Cal, and she operates out of the Ventura area, and she's a world-renowned artist. Very great paintings that she does. Wow. And she even gifted me a small one, man, and I love it, man. It's hanging up right now. Thanks, Judy. It's really great to have artists as your friends, man. It makes a big difference. Thanks, Jackie, for giving me a signed copy of your first novel, Part 1. And it was great meeting you and your husband up there on Sitgreaves Pass and talking about what happened there. Thanks a bunch. Thanks, everyone, for watching. Hey, you guys are the greatest subs out there, man. And I really, really appreciate you. Have a great day. See you later.